Maybe there's a reason why a Porsche badge is in the form of a shield. This is our new SVI light reveal, and yes, it's now available on the Porsche Cayenne Coupe as we've got here. So just a recap on light armor: only the door areas when smash and grab is not enough. We've got a B2 glass that will resist 9mm handguns, and we use Kevlar for the door areas. Best part of it is that all the windows can still operate as per normal. There's your driver's window, and there's the passenger window. So it doesn't impact on the usability of the Porsche. It also doesn't impact on the mass really, with 14 kilograms per door. So it still stays a sports car. Welcome to the latest SVI light product.